Well, good morning, everyone. Look what we got going on here this morning. Sunshine. All right, we're be doing a bunch of little tree work today. Nothing crazy, with some stumps. I'll show you guys what we got going on here. We're gonna cut down this tree here. We're gonna do all these stumps. Alright, everything's done here. See, this is where the tree was. Took the stump out, tree's all done. I'll show you guys from when I filmed it when it came down. It wasn't very big, just a little thing. See, it was right there. Then we did a bunch of stumps along the hedge line. I think they had 4 of them over here. So we grinded them all out. They're all grinded. All that's going to be left is for her to put a little dirt. Alright, see you guys next one. Alright guys, we're going to take off this here. See these hedges here, we're going to take them all out. This is what the customer wants here. We're going to take out got about 100 feet of hedge here to take out. I'm going to start it here. These hedges are 50, 60 years old. So we'll take this all out. I'll show you guys once we get them all done. Everything that we did. See, we took out a big tree here. There was a big tree that was taken out here. Great big one. Look how big this is. Yeah. So we'll take out these things here. They're going to put some new ones in. See how they're all laying down. Alright, we'll show you guys when we get it all done. Alright, there was 100 feet of it here, so we took them all out. We weren't supposed to take out the stumps. There's somebody else coming to do the stumps, so we just took out the hedge, chewed them all up. So this is what a lot of leaves. The guy that's going to be doing the stumps said he'd pick that all up because we don't have nothing to pick up all these leaves here. Alright, that's it. Let's go see the next place what's going on. Alright, what we're going to do here, we're going to cut down these great big hedges that are here. We're going to cut them down about halfway. The customer wants to get more sun in his pool, so we'll just cut those down. Make it look nice, make it so the guy has more sun in his pool like he wants. Alright, I'll show you guys. We'll get it going there, and I'll show you guys once we get it going. That's all we're going to cut down right there, halfway. So the guy on the other side will have more sun in his pool. Alright, let's get this one going. Alright, we're back in the hedges. We're going to do hedges this afternoon, do a couple jobs, 2-3 jobs. So we're doing now, we got the 225 feet. It goes all the way down to the water. It goes all the way down to the water here. So I'll show you guys. A little bit rough, they're wavy. Get back to you. Looks really good on this side. This side is a lot nicer than on the other side. Yeah, this side looks really good. Show you guys how it came out. They're a bit rough here. So I thought they were gonna come out a little bit nicer than this, but see the bottom's been eaten by the deer. I thought it'd be a bit nicer. I'll show you guys the hedge where they got squashed in the winter because of the snow. The snow squashed them. Look at this here. See how this is all in here? That's from the snow. The snow is starting to lay them down. See how they're coming out of the ground here? You see how they've come out? That's because they're starting to lay down. They're starting to be the land here is really wet, as I can see. You can see here. Look how wet that is. So that's what's going on. So it being so wet, the snow's getting on him and it's making him lay down. That's why you can see right here in the ground. Look how those have come up. See all the roots? It's not very good. And it looks like they did the drains too. Look, you can see the crushed stone. So that means the drains have been done. All right, off to the next one. Here we are. We're gonna do some hedges. We're gonna do these nice big hedges here, all the way around. It goes all the way over there. We're gonna do both sides. All right, just finished. This nice big thing. Look how good that looks. Goes all the way down in the back here. Now it looks really, really good. Oh, it looks really good. Come around the corner. Let's see what it looks like here. Fence is all nice and cleared. Everything looks good here. Look at that. That looks really good. The line came out really good there. All right, let's go see the neighbors. And we'll do this part right here. This place here we've been doing for a long time. It's gonna look really good. Look at that. All right, time to get to work. Start cutting. If we want to finish, we gotta cut. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, we got this all done here. Looks really good. See, the leaves are coming out in the trees. Look at that. Yeah, so you go around the corner here. See, things are looking really good here. See the apple tree here? Leaves have all come out. No, stuff's looking really good here. We'll go around back and see what's going on. All right, so here we're coming up to the archway. See the arch here? See how nice that looks? The nice arch here. It looks really nice. They have a couple little gates. Oh, they only have one gate. All right, we'll go look around the corner here. You guys want to see what we've cut so far today? It's going to be in the back here. This is everything we've cut so far today. We got a pickup truckload. All right, so here, look at that. Look how good that looks. Looks really good. But don't forget, you guys, if you guys want, like and subscribe, share. It'll only help us out. All right, see you guys in the next video.